you can easily record and share videos right from the Chrome extension. So to launch the extension, you'll click on the Sendspark icon up here in Chrome. And if you don't see it, click on this puzzle piece and make sure that that pin next to Sendspark is selected. And that's what lets you see it here. So you can click on this to launch it. And then at the bottom, you'll see some options if you want to record your screen, yourself by clicking face, or both your camera over your screen in a floating bubble. So you can just select the option you want there. And if you want to use any other camera effects, you can click on this icon, and this is going to let you choose from some virtual backgrounds or blur effects, as well as touch up your appearance, which is subtle. It's kind of like Zoom, but can help you feel a little bit more confident on camera. And then when you're ready to start, you'll just hit this record button. You'll see a countdown, be able to make your video. Hello, this is a test video just showing you how Sendspark works. And when you're done, you can stop the recording. We give you some shortcuts right here from the preview modal to help you share your video faster and do some light editing. So just going through these, you can download the video to save it to your computer. This is really helpful if there's any issues with your internet when your video's uploading and it's not able to upload to Sendspark for some reason. So you can just save it to your computer and then upload it later once your internet's better. You could also delete or restart your video right from here if you're not happy with it. And you can add a template. So this is going to automatically add text, like text, a call to action, anything you've saved ahead of time to your video page. For example, if we were to just look at this video, here you'll see the default is just going to be a video on a page. This would be your logo. But if you wanted to add a template, like Selena's complimentary onboarding template, you could just select this from here, and whatever you've saved in your template settings is going to automatically apply to this video. So now instead of just that video, we're going to see the video, smaller, the text there from the template, a call to action button, and a embedded calendar where someone could just go ahead and book their onboarding call with Selena. Makes it a little bit faster to share videos with this customization after recording. You're also able to stitch videos right from here. So if I had just made an intro, but I wanted to combine this with, let's say, a tutorial on how to install the Chrome extension, I could just select this video. And now what we have on the page is going to be that first video, and it's going to automatically play in the next video. So let me show you. Make your video. Hello, this is a test video just showing you how Sendspark works. Sendspark has a Chrome extension. So you can see this is really helpful for times when you want to share the same tutorial, but you just want to add that personal touch right at the beginning. You can also trim videos right from the Chrome extension, select trim, and you'll see some options here. So you can edit the video and just save it. And if there's any further customization you want to make before you share the video, then what you can do is click this button, edit page and thumbnail, and that's going to take you in the app. So you have a lot more options to customize. But if you wanted to share right from that modal without doing anything else, you could also do that. The copy link copies the Sendspark video link to your clipboard. So you can just go ahead and paste it in a new browser, paste it in Slack, paste it in LinkedIn. And whenever possible, when you send the video, it's not just going to be a link to the video. We're also going to pull in that preview. So it's going to look like this, really stand out and capture someone's attention. And then we give you a special option to share the video in email. You can use this link GIF button. So when you copy that video to your clipboard and you paste it in email, it doesn't just paste the link here, but we're actually able to paste that video thumbnail as well. So it's able to really stand out and capture attention in email. If you have any questions, just let us know, but I hope this sets you up on the right path to record and share videos. All right, cheers. Happy recording.